So the way I take my blade off is I line my pieces up. So I'm going to take the nut off and put it down, the little bent little ring there. Then I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to take the plastic screw off that holds the whole thing together, and then I'm going to take my used blade off. This gives me the opportunity to come in and clean all the pieces of my rotary cutter, because lint and other things will get trapped in there. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that. Then I'm going to get myself a new blade, and you want to be super careful here because they're oiled, so they might be stuck together. And then I'm going to pick up my blade and I'm going to seat it where it goes. I'm going to put my screw back on, then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to put the little ring on and the nut. I'm going to screw it down so it's snug, but just making sure it's pretty firm.